you should definitely watch this video if you plan on buying the Galaxy Z Fold6. We have a 7.6-inch foldable dynamic AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and a cover screen with a 20:9 6.3-inch display. Also AMOLED, the chip powering the phone inside is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 customized for Samsung. Phone we received has 12 gigs of RAM and 256GB storage. On the back you get a triple camera setup. The primary one is a 50 megapixel sensor, get a 10 megapixel 3x telephoto, and what's different this year is that you get a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera. On the front you get two cameras, one on the cover screen which is a 10 megapixel selfie camera and a 4 megapixel one which is under the main display. The phone comes with a 4400 mAh battery with only 25 watts fast charging. Yes, the phone has a glass back and it supports wireless charging. Last but not least, the phone is IP48 rated, so you're fully protected against water but not so much against dust.